because that is bad. But how many coffee in, then energy how it should be more than day. But if you want to still, you try it. Yeah, so yeah, we are moving very fast because there are somewhere. If it's what consistent pack up, Kapu normal cup, Salamezicamo, Washaka, you convert how to alkaline water. But one other today, Bastata to take alkaline, Bastata media alkaline, and what, but the planto everything. You need to take some out and load direct. So, you mammy from Tepe. Normal tap water, Salagamo, Washaka, Wana, alkaline water. Good for your body because body how it needs a little bit of alkaline. Not overdose, but it must be there. I think the required amount not more than 11, if I'm not mistaken. Alkaline, it should not be above. So they made this until 11 and 7.6 to 11. So Kapu A converter any water that is drinkable is alkaline. Maybe little nani allow that information or I recommend. Are you also buying that record couple not taking? Rabidis and get pipe payments are on Nakapaki killed. Not necessary pipe. But purifier somewhere. Yes, that is a problem. You know, the boiled one is more dangerous than the real from the tap. There was a research done on that. But the Aubisamizi pipe is more lethal than how one alcohol because that chemical. But how are Kapu in? Also, okay, Wabili Sawana, Alijual Abata, who get one at the best results. So it's a demonstration here on who wants it. How does it work? Then